Hi everybody, welcome to Miss Lego Master Show of Legos. Today we have an underwater themed one, like the bubbles. So first of all, we're going to build a boat. I've already got 2 pieces in there. And now we're just going to add these, 2 of these, and another one, and then this. The coral colors, I like it. Now we're going to do this, already partly built. That. And then we're going to build this little pink dot on it. And we're going to take this and attach it. I'm going to put that at the front of the boat. Now we're going to build a medicine because this is a rescue boat. And I'm going to take this, make it a jar. And I've already put this one together. Now, the little holder there is for a stethoscope, which I have right here. Stethoscope. So, there you are with that boat. But one more piece to it, the little holder that puts their feet in it. Probably shouldn't use her, we should probably use a vet person. This is an animal rescue boat. The Lego sound in the background is just a Lego, because who doesn't like Legos? Got a fat lady. Now let's get her into the launch pad. And the launch pad shoes. Now let's move on to our sharks. I've got these 2. Little swordfish fish head and a shark head. Right now they look like grandpa sharks. We're going to change that. Attach that to there. And now this. Now we're going to build a little robot helper. So we've got this. You can look inside it. And then we're going to put the robot's head on. So we've got this. There. Now I've got the robot's arm, so look. And we're going to do the other arm the exact same. So here's an example. You need it. Okay, now, just make him a little taller. Or not. Maybe you can have his flipper separate, so it can be separate or attached. And now he stands up better, and then you can also take it off. There's our robot. And just a little share some 2 dolphins here. So thank you for watching Miss Lego Master. Be sure to check out my other videos, like some Thanksgiving, Christmas, Halloween, and the others. And you gotta subscribe so you can see the new ones that are coming. You're welcome, thank you. But